sworn in as the Minister for Housing and Poverty Alleviation. I have with me Mr. Ajay Maken. Congratulations, sir. It's a promotion for you, but it's a big challenge as well, especially because 2014 is not too far away.
Yes, that is always there. Like I've been in politics now since quite a long time, and elected representative since 1993. So every year or every minute for us is a challenge. And next election, it doesn't mean that we start remembering the next election just 1.5 or 2 years before. But more than this, I think the best thing is that in this government now we have a very large number of youngsters who have been given not only who have been elevated, but they have been given important tasks also. So it is, I think, responsibility on the shoulders of the younger ministers to perform and to show that when responsibility is put on them, they deliver.
Urban poverty is a big challenge. Having said that, what's your vision really now?
Well, urban poverty is a very important thing, a challenge, as you very rightly said, because we have a huge population of our country which lives in urban areas. And in urban areas, we have areas wherein very poor people live, and disparity in true sense can be seen in these urban areas. So the idea is to how to remove this disparity by making the living of these urban poor better, by providing them better employment opportunities, and this is something which our ministry would be doing. The best thing is that belonging to Delhi, being a part of Delhi, and having done my politics in Delhi, I think I have a fair bit of an idea as to how to take it along. And the 12th plan document also lays adequate emphasis on urban poverty alleviation. So I think that is something which would be my guiding point now, and we'll take it further.
And you're going to miss the sports ministry. Plus, what about the future of the sports bill?
I think sports ministry would be in good hands, and is already in good hands, and sports ministry has a very good minister, and Bhawan Jitendra Singh is someone who has administrative experience also. He is young, he has a vision, and I'm sure that he's going to do even better than what I have done in the sports ministry.
So you're not worried about the future of the sports bill?
I'm not worried, rather I'm happy and satisfied that a person like him has taken over from me, and I think he'll deliver.
Alright, thank you so much for talking to us. So there you had Ajay Maken talking to us, saying that he's not really worried about the future of the sports bill. He has a bigger challenge before him, not just because 2014 is not too far away, but because urban poverty is a huge challenge, and he, as someone who has worked in Delhi earlier, a leader really from Delhi, understands this challenge very, very well. In New Delhi with video journalist Pawan, Sneha Mordani for NewsX.